In the Philippines, and specifically for Potato Corner, if I may say, there are like all the other brands are always on the lookout, and we noticed that for our targeted audience and our targeted public, our guests, potential guests, they're very particular about first having a sort like a community that they belong to. So fellowship is very strong. They are able to relate with the people that also eat what they eat. We're also on the lookout for those that give value for money. So affordability for our target market, um, convenience, much like all the other brands. They look for products that are available when they want it, where they want it, and how they want it. Products have to be experiential. It should be personalized. It should be focused and targeted to their particular need, which means you do something for the guest and not to the guest. So it's really something personal. Then, of course, the use of technology. We cannot discount that. So we're looking into a lot of AI projects that we could work on. And of course, if you would look at our products, our projects and our products, they all have to be tasty and flavorful because that's what we're all about. We're all about fun, flavorful, and fulfilling moments that we provide to our guests. Of course, last but not least would be how are we able to be part of the overall bigger picture. So we look at sustainability as well. So those are the trends that we are on the lookout for. It remains to be a balance between quick expansion and ensuring that the profitability and the essence of the brand does not get lost in this very fast expansion that we're doing. So seeing that it's going to be really something that will be in the horizon and will not stop for the next 2 to 3 years in terms of expansion, we purposely made use of tools that will allow us to tier the market and ensure that we build the right size of store, maximizing the sales potential and brand potential of each and every store that we open so that it becomes accretive to the brand. So if there's a location that can allow us to generate bigger sales, then we will build bigger store models that will allow us to also serve additional products aside from our world famous flavored fries. In line with our growth plans, we've tagged it for this year as OMG. So that's working on operational efficiencies that will allow us to serve our guests faster. And M is for market leadership. So we'll continue to churn out innovative products, flavors that will really whet their appetites. And of course, G is geographical acceleration that again will allow us to serve as many guests that we can. And wow, our tagline is wow, everyone, everywhere, every day.